Hey sisters, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the ultimate guide for eyeshadow do's and don'ts. So grab your brushes, palettes, and let's get started. Before we even think about putting on any eyeshadow, we need to talk about primer. Primer creates a smooth canvas, prevents creasing, and makes the colors pop. Trust me, skipping it is not cute. So do yourself a favor and always use an eyeshadow primer. Skipping primer is like forgetting to put on pants before leaving the house. A major makeup no-no. Without primer, your eyeshadow will crease, look muddy, and fade quickly. So take my advice and never skip the primer. Let's talk about blending. Blend, blend, blend. Blending is the key to flawless eyeshadow looks. Think of blending like painting a masterpiece. You want those colors to melt into each other. Use soft, fluffy brushes and light circular motions to blend those eyeshadows to perfection. Using dirty brushes is like using a dirty sponge to wash your dishes. Gross, right? Imagine all the grime and bacteria that accumulate on your makeup brushes over time. Every time you use them, you're transferring that dirt onto your face. Dirty brushes are breeding grounds for bacteria. These bacteria can cause breakouts, skin irritation, and even infections. It's not just about the makeup looking good, it's about keeping your skin healthy. Not only is it unhygienic, but it can also affect the performance of your makeup products. Dirty brushes can make your foundation look cakey and your eyeshadow appear muddy. Using dirty brushes will also mess up your eyeshadow application. The colors won't blend as well, and you might end up with a patchy look. So please, do yourself and your skin a favor. Invest in a good brush cleaner and make it a habit to wash those brushes regularly. Your skin will thank you and your makeup will look flawless. And wash those brushes regularly. A clean brush means a clean face, and a clean face means a happy, healthy you. So take the time to clean your brushes at least once a week. It's a small effort for a big payoff. Let's talk transition shades. These are the unsung heroes of any eyeshadow look. They are your best friend for creating seamless eyeshadow looks. Without them, your eyeshadow can look patchy and unblended. Transition shades help blend out harsh lines, create depth, and make everything look more put together. They are essential for achieving that professional, polished finish. Apply it to the crease of your eyelid with a fluffy blending brush. This helps to diffuse the color and create a gradient effect. Remember, blending is key. The more you blend, the more seamless your eyeshadow will look. You want the transition shade to blend seamlessly. Take your time and use small circular motions to ensure everything is well blended. This step is crucial for a flawless eyeshadow look. Don't rush it. There are various transition shades to choose from, depending on your skin tone and the look you're going for. Lighter shades work well for a natural look, while darker shades can add more drama and intensity. Experiment with different shades and techniques to find what works best for you. Practice makes perfect, and soon you'll be creating stunning eyeshadow looks with ease. So next time you're doing your makeup, don't forget to use a transition shade. It can make all the difference in achieving a flawless professional look. Happy blending! One of the biggest mistakes is overloading your brush with product. Instead of swirling your brush in the pan, gently tap it into the eyeshadow to pick up the right amount. Remember, less is more, especially when it comes to eyeshadow. Want to add a touch of sparkle and dimension to your makeup look? Highlighting your inner corner is a fantastic way to achieve that. This technique is not only simple but also incredibly effective. By focusing on this small area, you can instantly brighten your eyes and make them appear larger and more awake. It's a quick trick that can make a big difference. To get started, choose a shimmery or metallic eyeshadow in a light shade. Think of colors like champagne, pearl, or even a soft gold. These shades reflect light beautifully and add that desired sparkle. Using a small fluffy brush, gently pat the eyeshadow onto the inner corner of your eye. Make sure to blend it well so it looks seamless. This step is key to achieving a polished and radiant look. Before you bring that loaded brush to your eyelid, always remember to tap off the excess. Tapping off the excess ensures you're applying the perfect amount of product, preventing harsh lines or unevenness. Don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone and experiment with different colors. Try a bold pop of color, experiment with a smoky eye, or add a touch of shimmer. So go ahead, get creative, and have fun with it. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. We've all been there. Whether it's a wobbly winged liner or a mascara mishap. Makeup is all about self-expression and creativity, so embrace those happy accidents and learn from your mistakes. That's it for my ultimate guide to eyeshadow do's and don'ts. I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to show me your amazing eyeshadow creations by tagging me on Instagram. Now go out there and slay the day with your incredible eyeshadow skills.